Hey, what's up guys? NapoHBarista here. Today we're gonna be serving coffee at a new location and I thought it would be a great idea to take you guys along. So let's go. Alright, so we're here. How many things do you think I can grab? Ready? Alright. Best part about this new location is our machines are already there. Can you grab the door? The face recognition feature is not working. Thank you. So we are all set up inside. This is our new location. It's Harvest Time Church in Greenwich, Connecticut. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Yeah, we're so excited to be here. This is actually my home church. There's actually service going on right now, so I'll keep it quiet. The building is new, and we have some stuff. New deliveries. This place is absolutely beautiful. Alright. You remember this beauty? So we're all set. In the hopper I have coffee from Onyx Coffee Labs. We're using their Monarch Espresso blend today. It's a blend of Ethiopia and Guatemala. If you're familiar with Onyx Coffee Labs, you know they make really, really good high quality stuff. Now we're gonna pull some shots, dial in, and try it as a cappuccino first. Alright, so we just pulled a shot. 20 in, about 36 out, in 27 seconds. It smells really good. Oh man, taste it. I tried making a video of brewing coffee and tasting this coffee and dialing in, but people just started walking up to our cart and ordering stuff, so
it was so busy.
Yeah, it got like real busy, and that's the thing about this business is like sometimes it's dead and then sometimes it's like like a lot of people. Yeah, so the setup is very much the same, just a little bit more room and a little bit more comfortable to work. But I'll show you later because there's some background talking and people are talking, conversing. Yeah, they're conversing. We're still using the iPad with the PayPal reader and we have the cash register and everything. I'm still using the Marzocco Mini, the Linea Mini. This is a new guy, the Barista scale. Really, really accurate, really cool. Still have the knockbox and pitcher rinser here to my right. And now I have a table back here. We now make all of our syrups at home. This is a caramel chocolate, a simple syrup. I made this custom for a customer that always asks for cinnamon and sugar in their flat white. Lavender and vanilla. Still have our Tazo teas, Earl Grey, green, chai, hot water boiler. That's all. Very simple. This particular church has a little over 1,000 members. It does get really, really busy here. I mean, I try my best to work with the machine and you know, just be consistent with our drinks. But I can't say anything bad about the Linea Mini. I mean, it's kicking butt. Napo! Someone's calling me. Kurt, here you go.
She wants an espresso too. This is the best coffee ever. You have to make yourself out here. Come to HT Church. This is the best barista. Yeah. You can't find them better, okay? It's worth your while.
There you go. You heard it here first.
Yeah, you want TV show?
Carla, and I have both my sisters coming, so I'm good. Oh my gosh! So listen, mom and dad are off the hook.
It's hard to record here, so I'm just gonna end the video. I just made a caramel latte and 2 hot chocolates and stuff. Basically, the longer we're here, the longer we're gonna stay here. People love coffee. People love talking around the coffee cart, and it's a cool thing. I love it. It's all community. But we've been here since like 6:30 in the morning,
Yeah.
so we gotta go. The reason why I didn't post in a long time is just because we got bombarded with a lot of different things, but we're back on it now.
Is that NapoHBarista? Busy day.
Yeah. Let's go.